Lazarus and Jesus, they were not just friends, but rather their friendship and the relationship with Christ. And I think this is the best way of being friends with others. We have a lot of friends, but many of them would not bring us to Christ. Rather, some of them would bring us astray and not to Christ. And I think what is important with friendship is you can tell everything whether you can trust that person. And that person whom you trust would also bring you to a good situation, to a better atmosphere of life, rather than being problematic. And to be a good friend will always bring you to what is good and what is right. So in spite of your mistake, a friend will always tell you the truth about what you did, not about it. So even if you are friends, it doesn't mean there is a license not to tell you that you are wrong. Here in the Gospel, we heard about Martha talking about Jesus, telling him, if you are here, then my brother will not die. Napakapangka at yung pag-asabi na tila ba may panghihinayan na kung saan sinasabi niya, kung naroon ka, hindi mangyayari ang mga ito. But there is a certain frustration telling Jesus of what happened. But Martha, in spite of that, believed that Jesus can raise Lazarus. No? And she believes that after death, but Jesus offered life after death immediately. So this is more important than believing that one day or someday resurrection will come. But because of the friendship, but because of the closeness and relationship that they have, even if it is not time, Jesus performed miracles. Siguro ba naman ang mga kaibigan, kapag may mga kailangan, may mga bagay na nais ka, no? Hindi ka iisin, hindi ka sisihayutin ng iyong minamahal na kaibigan. And this is what happened to the friendship of Martha, Mary, and Lazarus with Jesus. A good friend would always bring you closer to Christ. So it's a question for our reflection. First is, what kind of friends do we have? Second is, what kind of friend are we to them? Are we bringing them closer to God or away from God?